Good evening, sir. Today we will discuss about the property of a square, and now only 4 points because video should not be more than 10 minutes. So first point is y measure of each angle is 90 degree in a square. So now all of us know that measure of each angle is 90 degree in a square, but what is the justification behind it that y measure of each angle is a 90 degree in a square? So now this one is a rough work. This one is a rough work. Okay. So it is a property of circle. Suppose that this one is a circle. So it is a property of circle that this one is a diameter A and B. Okay. Take any point on the circumference of the circle. Suppose that I am going to take this point. This point at C. So now when we join the point of the diameter A to C and B to C, so it is a property of circle that the measure of this angle is always equal to 90 degrees. So when diameter join at any point on the circumference of the circle, so in that condition, measure of that angle is always equal to 90 degrees. Suppose that I am going to take another point, means this one is a point. Okay, this one is a D. So now when we will join point B to D and A to D, so since AB is a diameter, so AB is a diameter, so it is a property of diameter that when the end point of the diameter will join at any point on the circumference of the circle, so the angle made by them is always equal to 90 degree. But now what is the relation between this property and a square? So why measure of each angle is 90 degree in a square? Because a square is also a cyclic quadrilateral. So look here, a square is also a cyclic quadrilateral, means this one is I am going to draw a line segment. Any line segment means now any line segment means this one is any line segment. Now again draw another line segment that intersect each other at right angle. Which angle? At right angle. This one is a right angle. Okay. So now both lines are perpendicular to each other, means this one is a B, this one is a B, and this one is a C, and this one is a D. At any point D. Now again we have to draw a circle with the center. So take a point O and draw a center. Draw a circle. Draw a circle. So now okay. So this one is a C and this one is a D. Okay, now look here, this one is a AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter of the circle. This one is a diameter of the circle A and B. Now let any point, this one is a C. This one is at any point, this one is a C. So when we will join the end point of the diameter at any point which lie on the circumference of the circle, so that angle will also equal to 90 degree, means this angle A will join C and B to C. So measure of this angle is always equal to 90 degree. Why? Because AB is a diameter. Similarly, again, there is a point D on the circumference of the circle. So AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter. Again, when we are going to join the end point of the diameter to the point D, which lie on the circumference of the circle. So in this condition, measure of this angle is also equal to 90 degree. Now again, look at this one is also diameter, means these black lines are diameter for these circles. So when we join in point of the diameter means A to B, A to D, and C to A. So measure of this angle is also equal to 90 degrees. Similarly, when we will join in point of the diameter, so measure of this angle is also equal to 90 degree. So a square is a cyclic quadrilateral, and it is a property of diameter that when we will join the in point of the diameter at any point on the circumference of the circle, so the angle between them is always equal to 90 degree. That's why measure of each angle is equal to 90 degree in a square. Now first property is clear. Now second property is, what is the second property of a square? Why all sides are equal in a square. Okay, so why all sides are equal in a square? So now in this figure, we know that this the central angle is 90 degree, and also this one is a vertically opposite angle. So vertically opposite angle, so this one is also 90 degree. Now look here. Since central angle is equal, it means there are means their segment is also equal. So these lines means B to D is equal to A to C, is equal to A to C. Why? Because their central angle are equal. Because their central angle are equal, that's why AC and BD are equal. Now again, these angles are also 90 degree. Why? Because this one is a linear pair. So 90 and their vertically opposite angles means this one is also 90 degree. Now 90 degree means central angle is 90. So their sides means this one is a sides B to C. B to C is equal to D to A. Why? Because their central angles are equal. So all central angles are 90, 90, 90, 90. So all four sides are equal. So this is the justification that why all sides are equal in a square. Now next question, prove that the angle between diagonals and sides are always equal to 45 degree. This one is a third property, and we are going to discuss about this property. Okay. This property proves that the angle between diagonals and sides are always equal to 45 degree. So now come to this figure. Suppose that this one is a O. Okay. So come to this triangle means triangle AOD. Okay. So AOD, I am going to draw another figure. Again, we are going to draw another figure means another square. Okay, this one is a circle, and we have to draw two diameters which are perpendicular to each other. Which are perpendicular to each other means this one is a first diameter. Okay. Now these are the second diameter. Both diameters are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Now look here. So this one is a radius. This one is a radius. And this one is also a radius. Now this one is a measure of this angle is 90 degree. Why? Because it is a part of construction that both diameters are perpendicular to each other. Now come to this point, that suppose that this one is a, this one is a O, and this one is a B. So triangle AOB. Triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, this triangle, okay. In triangle AOB, it is the property of triangle that if two sides are equal, then their corresponding angles are also equal. Suppose that this one is a theta, so this one is also a theta, and now this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. So angle sum property, we know that sum of all angle in a triangle is always equal to 90 degree, equal to 180 degree. That's why 90 degree plus theta equal to 180 degree. So 2 theta, this equals 180 minus 90 degree. So 2 theta equal to 90 degree. Now only theta equal to 45 degree. So now in this figure, these are radius and these are radius, means two sides are equal. Two sides are equal means this one is a theta and this one is a theta. So what is the value of theta? Theta is 45 degree. Theta is 45 degrees, means this one is a 45 and this one is a 45. Again, this one is a B to D. This one is also 45. This one is also 45. This one is also 45. Why? Because two sides are equal and these angles are 90 degree. And again this one is 90 degree. This one is 90 degree and this one is also 45 and 45. Why? Because two sides are equal. So two sides are equal, it means their corresponding angles are also equal. That's why this measure of these angles are 45, 45, and also this one is also 45 and 45. So this is the main reason that diagonal. So this is the main reason that the angle between diagonal and sides of a square is always equal to 45 degree. Okay, now both diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle. We know that both diagonals are equal. Why? Because both diagonals are actually it is a diameter of a circle. So we know that any diameter is always equal for a circle. That's why, since two diameters, since in this circle there are two diameters, that's why both diagonals are equal in a square. Okay, sir. Thank you. I think video will be more than 10 minutes. That's why I'm going to stop. So we will talk further. Okay, sir. Thank you. Bye.